We are now in question number 7. They are telling me that candidate A got 2/5 of the vote and candidate B got 1/4 of the vote. If candidate C got the rest of the votes, what fraction of the votes went to candidate C? I'm gonna do this problem without involving algebra. Let's look at the whole idea of how many votes went to candidate C. We know that candidate A plus candidate B will give me an amount that they both got together. Let me just write down 3 candidates, candidate A, B, and C. And we know that candidate A got 2/5 of the vote, while candidate B got 1/4 of the vote. And we don't know how many votes went to candidate C, but we know the rest of them went to him. And we are assuming that the total voters are 100% of the voters, or the rest of them are going to be to candidate C. In this case, we need to add the vote from candidate A and B. This is going to give us 2 over 5 plus 1 over 4. The least common denominator is 20. We multiply the top and the bottom by 4. This is going to give us 8. And also to convert 1 over 4 with denominator 20, we multiply times 5 to find the equivalent fraction. We are adding in this case. This is going to give us 13 over 20. 13 over 20 are the total of votes that are in candidate A and B together. Then we know in a simple graph that 20 is the total, right? In this case, let's graph this. Let's look at this. This is the total, 20. And 13 of them are going to candidate A and B. The first 5 in the top, and the next 5 are gonna add up to 10 plus 3 more is gonna give me the 13. Those belongs to candidate A and B. Then the rest of them are from candidate C. We can see from this graph are gonna be 7 out of 20. But how do we do this operation? This is 1, that is the total amount of votes, minus 13 over 20. And 1 minus 13 over 20, we know the least common denominator between 1 and 20 is 20. We need to multiply both of them by 20 to find the equivalent fraction. This is going to give us 20 minus 13, and this is 7 over 20. 7 over 20 are the votes, the fraction of the votes that are gonna be, that went to candidate C. I hope this little graph in the right bottom side is gonna help you to understand the problem. There are 2 basic operations right here, and this is not a difficult problem, but that we need to understand when we use fraction.